In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Error 101 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually happens because of network problems or corrupted cache. But don't worry, we're going to fix it step by step in just a few minutes. Make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to completely close Steam. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look for any processes named Steam or Steam.exe. If you see any, click on them and then click End Task. Make sure all Steam processes are fully closed before moving on to the next step. Now that Steam is fully closed, we're going to reset your network settings. This helps fix connection issues that often cause Steam Error 101. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt. Inside command prompt, you'll need to run two commands. First, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can fix connection issues. After that, type netcache winsock reset and press Enter again. This resets your network socket settings, which can also resolve Steam connectivity problems. Once you've entered both commands, go ahead and close the command prompt. Now restart your computer. This step is important because it applies the changes we just made. Skipping this could prevent the fix from working properly. After your computer restarts, open Steam again and try connecting. In most cases, the error should now be completely gone and Steam should work normally without any connection issues. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Steam Error 101. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to check out my other tutorials for more quick and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.